Hi there, in this video, you'll learn how to migrate your WordPress site using WP staging without losing any data. First, log into your WordPress dashboard on the current site. Click on the WP staging tab and open Backup and Migration. Click Create Backup, enter a name, and hit Start Backup. When it says Backup Complete, click Close. Next, click the Actions button beside your backup and choose either Download Backup or Copy Backup URL. Now, go to the dashboard of your new host site, open WP Staging and go to the Backup and Migration tab. Click Upload Backup. If you downloaded the file earlier, upload it here. If you copied the URL, paste it and click Upload. Wait until the upload is done. When you see the success message, click OK, click Actions again, then select Restore. In the pop-up, click Next, then click Restore to start the process. Once it says Finish successfully, click OK. Your site is now fully migrated. Use your old login details to access it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.